We had concrete driveway and there were multiple cracks in it. And I considered doing another concrete with paver border. And then I looked in an area and that just doesn't hold up as well.
Hmm.
So that's why we decided all pavers. Nicole was excellent, and Steve as a project manager was excellent. And the workers here, I mean, they knew what they were doing. They, just kind of moved along.
Hmm.
They surprised us that as they started laying, how quickly it was going down. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. And we have a lot of compliments from neighbors, immediate neighbors, and then people coming for walks here from other locations and asking us who did it. So, we've been, hopefully, we're sending more people towards American Paving because we really did like the experience. And we thought the prices, because we did get estimates from a couple of other places, and we're very competitive. And, we could have been happier with the result.